Hello, students. We are going to be virtual for Module 3. So Monday, January 24th and Wednesday, January 26th, we are going to meet virtually with the computer in Blackboard Collaborate. You can find Blackboard Collaborate at the bottom of your modules. I realize I have more modules than you're seeing. It just says Blackboard Collaborate. It's right above My Grades. I encourage you to check My Grades as well on a regular basis. I have made the link to Blackboard Collaborate easier for you to access. This is the screen you will see when you open the class. So just click on the purple words and you will be joined in the session by the date. So make sure that you join the session. This one has not started yet, so it's a little weird. Let me show you how it will look. It looks like this. You will join the course room. You will see this. You will see how you are joining. You can see the purple bar next to the microphone shows my audio is working. So I'm going to just click that. I don't have a camera hooked up evidently, so I'm going to say skip video test. It's okay if you don't have a camera. That's okay. Give yourself some time to play with Blackboard Collaborate, even though your session is going to be different. So if you've not done it before, it's a lot like Zoom, and I figure most of you have done Zoom now because, COVID. I will record the session so that you can see it later. You're going to want to share your audio anytime you would like to speak. You can also raise your hand. This purple thing will let you chat. I try to keep a monitor on that when we meet virtually together. So that's what we're going to do. Also, I am going to be using my access to your presentations. So if you are presenting Acts 1 or 2, go ahead and upload those. I will share the screen with your classmates, and you're all going to be able to see the PowerPoints, and I'll just ask you to tell me what's happening in your scene. Tell me what interesting literary device you found, what interesting word you found. I might ask you, where is Hamlet in the scene if he's not in there? And I will ask you to tell us about the secondary source you found as well. So we might not look at every single slide, but those main slides with the secondary source and with the summary of what's going on in the scene, and then the literary device and the interesting word. Those will be ones that we look at mainly. If there are any other slides you would like us to look at, I can surely do that. You will have to unmute yourself, so you'll have to share audio to be able to be heard, but you don't have to be on camera. In fact, it will probably mostly be beneficial to just have it where we're looking at the PowerPoint as you present. So turn in your PowerPoint by clicking on the red link that says Close Reading of Hamlet. Click it, hit Create Thread, and here's the description one more time. In the subject line, put the act and scene. So if you're Act 2, Scene 3, put that. Then click Browse Local Files, and wherever you saved yours, you put that PowerPoint there. There's Hamlet Project. Click Open and hit Submit. Don't forget to hit Submit. And then it will be there. So I now have one in 2 places. That's not really Act 2, Scene 3, so I should delete that since I can do that. Anyway, that is how we are going to do class all of next week, January 24th and 26th. In addition to having the presentations done, I may post some additional things for you to see, maybe some film clips, maybe some of the specific things I'd like you to look at in My Shakespeare, that website that we've been using in class. Here's a practice quiz for Acts 1 and 2. I encourage you to do that just on your own. And on Wednesday, you'll have this Module 3 quiz, just like if we were in class. So you'll be able to see that on Wednesday. And let me just remind you that your homework before next week was to finish reading Act 2 of Hamlet, to read about plot in your textbook, read about narration and point of view in your textbook, and here are the pages. Read about symbol, read about the sounds of poetry, and words and music. All right, so do that. Make note of any bold words. If we were in class, you would have your notebook with you with the definitions of those bold words with you. So make sure that you have that. Keep your notebook with you. It's just good to use. All right, email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you through Blackboard Collaborate on Monday and Wednesday. Bye.